And I also want to condemn a trend which I have noticed recently. That is the interference of other parties in our party affairs. This thing called Azimo. We are the Azimo. The majority, the strongest party in Azimo was ourselves as ODM. There is nobody who can make a decision in Azimo without concurrence of ODM. And you cannot purport to appoint a new leader of Azimo, excluding and bypassing this party called ODM. If the ODM has not agreed, then there is nothing like a resolution of Azimo. And in fact, Azimo was dead when ODM left it. We left it a long time ago. It is only a formality which we have not performed and which we are going to perform very soon. We are going to exit that moribund organization called Azimo. So somebody should not be floating something which is moribund, he knows he is dead, and you are raising the dead from the grave. We are going to move out of it.